go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to bring you guys another affordable hair video, and today we are going to be working with a half wig, which is a synthetic wig. I am coming to bring more affordable looks because I know that we're stuck inside, we're quarantined, and you know, we're walking around the house with our hair looking a mess. So hopefully that this quick and easy and affordable wig that I'm bringing to you, you can go out and purchase it. And I purchased it from Amazon, so they'll deliver it right to your front door. You don't even have to leave the house. So I purchased this half a wig, and it is a quick wig, and it is a kinky straight wig, So to apply this wig, I would have to leave out my front of my hair, so let's get started doing that. Hair situated here. Let's see how this wig look. And you guys, this is my first time taking it out, so I don't quite know how it looks. So let's see. And here is the information. And as you can see, they have on there that you can actually curl this hair up. So it's heat safety up to 400 degrees. So yeah, you can actually curl this wig, which is a plus. Okay, the wig is pretty long. And let's see. It has 2 combs, one at the top and one at the bottom. And it's also have the drawstring if you need to tighten it.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on.
Okay, so we got it on. Alright, let me take my hair out. So good thing with this, it matches my natural hair when it's blown out. So it's actually matching with my hair pretty good. Of course, you cannot put a part or anything in this wig because it's a half a wig and it doesn't, you know, have any parts in there. But you can do a little something with the front here. And I kind of have it going to the side. But overall, I like this wig because it definitely matches my natural hair. Let me turn around here so you guys can see how long it is. So it's like almost to my actual butt. But yeah, this wig is really nice. And you can pretty much style it if you want to put it up into a ponytail. You can do so. So you can put the top in a ponytail. See that? Or you can leave it hanging. Perfect. Okay guys, so definitely let me know what you thought of this synthetic wig. I'm not gonna curl it because I don't want to curl it, but it does say that you can curl it, so that's a plus. So definitely let me know your thoughts on this wig. I just kind of wanted to come and bring you something easy that you can put on your head while you just chilling and sitting around the house. And this is a perfect wig, especially if you're like natural and you blow your hair out, it'll match your natural hair. So yeah, definitely let me know your thoughts on this wig. And you guys, before I get out of here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys would definitely be notified. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.